Well, here's a new block for the Tahoe. It looks like it came out of a barn because it probably did.
It did come out of the barn.
It did come out of a barn. All right. Good thing we only need the iron block out of it. Pull the rest of all these doodads off.
Yeah, we can blast the rest of all after, but if you strip the top, then
Yeah.
there's your 10 for your coils.
Awesome.
8's there for your intake and drop covers. And then, yeah, whatever you take off, take it home. I don't need the back.
Oh, these have been in there for a while. Probably never been apart.
Pretty sure I did.
They're just soaked in it.
Yeah, okay. Alright, well, let me know
I guess I don't need to pull the bolts all the way out, do I?
if he's got a, like, even if he's got, like, a gasket kit or something, then that would be. Okay. Okay, so I'll go, yeah, let me know if. Yeah, I'm just gonna reuse the old one if I can't get it today. Okay, so I'll go next. Sorry?
So I guess I don't need to take the bolts all the way out of that thing, do I?
No, you just lift it up. Sorry, always a truck in the way that you're smacking yourself on.
Okay, well that should do that. This one?
There's a rubber hose.
Oh, there's one in the front here. This one.
And there's a rubber hose on the front too that you gotta take off. That steam vent, I like the steam vent system, it's nice. It's a rubber, it's all metal too.
Right
Yeah,
here.
that one. I like it. Hi Alberto, is Kevin available? Okay. Sure. Yeah, for sure. This is Nathan from Styline on the Morphone.
I guess I could.
I just have more information. I have another block for that stroker setup that we have sitting in the shop there. So he said he was gonna, I was gonna get back to him and then he was gonna let me know what he found on the rest of the machining for the crank and the rods and stuff, just to make sure that we can block that and be bringing you. So if he could give me, yeah, if he could give me a call back, that would be awesome. 604 789 Awesome. Thank you, George.
Oh yeah, because that line goes back to where it's there. I got it here.
You got it. Okay. Waiting to hear back about this, waiting to hear back about the sensors, waiting to hear back about everything. Getting fucked around on
Ouch.
a bunch of fingers.
These spurs are gonna work. Maybe.
Might be cold in here, but at least we're dry.
That's not bad. I'd take my jacket off right away. It doesn't get too warm.
I came in here and I'm freezing my ass off. I put my insulated coveralls on.
We got the wood stove cranking up the shop now.
Yeah?
Works pretty good.
Nice. That's awesome.
Not registered with Metro Vancouver yet, though.
Alright, well, when there's a burning complaint that I have to come up for, then I'll try to cut you some slack.
Intake off.
You don't need that shit, don't need the
No.
knock sensors, don't need any of that garbage. We'll transfer it over.
One bolt over this.
Yeah, keep that steam vent system. That's a cool system. It's all one piece, where the other ones now were independent, right?
Yeah, like mine only has it on one
Well,
end.
they block the back and then have to transfer to the front, where it's kind of cool with that it runs all four corners, right?
What else is holding that? Fucking fingertips all fucked up from stripping copper. I got a fucking slice right there.
Oh,
It hurts.
and the dry track and then it won't heal. Yeah, that's the worst.
I was just gonna say, there's a pry tool right there on the floor.
Big ass fucking pry bar. Biggest bar I got. Gently pry on the sides and it should come up.
Nice.
Yeah, that's cool that they have vents from all four. That's nice. You're gonna have to undo these because they'll bolt right through. You might have to take knock sensors out too because they go through the center. So if you pull the rubbers up, then there's little ones in there.
Oh, yeah.
Old school LS. I got you screwed to that pair of pliers, just pinch them and pull them off. You might have to, I think you have to pull in knock sensors to get that out.
I'm gonna take all these little
There's
ones.
six, those ones, the ones with the stud, with the towers on it.
Now I see it.
Got your glasses again, didn't you?
Yeah. I'll go home for a break when you go to Surrey.
Oh, did you know?
Get my glasses.
How the birds doing?
Good?
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's your female working out?
She's definitely not tame or anything, but
Is that something you can? Is that something you can? Can you train them, or is that
she's fine. But she'll probably never be tame, right? Yeah, she's comfortable and was got her a new cage.
She knows who feeds her, so she.
Yeah. Like I can put my hand in her cage and she still gets scared and jumps out and stuff, but not too bad. And these are the tiny guys again.
Those are 8s for the dog runners and 8s for the rockers and push rockers.
Yeah, I got the cat generator completely stripped and all the copper's ready to melt.
Melt it into bricks.
Bricks and,
Make it clean. And then you're gonna make it like 100% clean, and then.
Yeah, and I'm gonna make some Chevy emblems
Sweet.
out of brass. Or maybe some copper ones too. So I put all my supplies together before I start melting.
Yeah. You got molds for it and stuff too? So like melt
I got
molds?
one to make them bricks, yeah. But I want to get the casting sand and make a wooden frame or whatever piece of
Yeah,
wood,
so that it doesn't.
and then take like a Chevy emblem off the grill and squish it in the sand, and then make a mold. There.
You gotta take the other nozzle, so that's why I left it.
Oh.
The back, just the back one. And do that back one, and then that center plate should lift up pretty good.
Yeah, it's way different than mine.
You see that with this block, it had a rod knock. So I know that it needs a rod bearing, but because we're not using any of the internals,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
Saving that.
I threw it in the box, yeah, if you want it.
All right.
Oh. That might be the only difference with yours. Your cam sensor's in the back too, right? Or is yours in the front?
I think it's in the front.
That's okay, we can move it. If we put your cover on it, then we just have to put a different, is it in the front? It doesn't matter. Because we just, yeah, there's a plug.
Plastic thing.
Yeah, no, that's fine. We just leave that in the
Use
back.
my cover.
Yeah, we use your cover, and then we transfer your cam, and then your cam tone rings all in the front anyways. So it doesn't matter.
Sounds good.
So we just have to block that hole in the back. Is that in the block or in the cover? Block. Yeah, you might fight it around because there's little rings at the bottom that go over those pipes. It's funny how your engine was in the. They converted it to that then to front cover, so it's 24 times reluctant, not 58. I have different cover or a different screwdriver if you want to use a different screwdriver.
Like this one.
There's
There.
not really much in the gap there, but. Almost there.
This one there. Yeah.
Get your man that, Ray boy. Tell you. Just keep fighting. This shit is blocking.
That's okay, valve covers. Are gonna be 8.
8.
now.
Yeah.
It was definitely better, felt better today, than probably in 2 years.
So now, oh, these are all small ones.
They're all 8s. Yeah.
Maybe this can crack it.
Oh yeah.
And then this whole thing comes off.
Yeah, then the whole trail come out with the rockers and everything else. Or you can take them out individually too, doesn't matter.
Yeah. Around the blocks.
Here. your valley plate is different because
Yeah,
yours
it's
has
got them
the
weird.
yeah, and yours has your oil pressure switch is inside the top plate too.
Yeah, it's up here.
Yeah. On top of the cover though.
So we'll have to reuse that plate.
No.
What goes under here is different.
Because your supercharger won't fit that.
Yeah.
Well, it could fit on the other one. Might actually work. Because you have a different gen block. It's weird how your block's a gen. Must be like a gen 3 block or something.
There's 4 on it.
Pretty sure it's probably fine. And what we can do in the back is we can convert it to the short plate.
You sure about that? I think I'll get low on battery.
Right?
Oh.
Okay. I need your feedback on my bread.
Oh.
Okay, you don't have to eat it.
I haven't had it yet. Can we spit it in the last one? The last one was pretty good. Different recipe?
Yeah.
15 mil.
Got it.
Oh, you cracking the heads?
Yeah. Here. Big impact.
You gonna impact them all?
Yeah, sure. Crack him with a breaker bar first.
Cracking the bar first.
So Marshall said, I'm just gonna go home and dry my wet stuff out. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not doing nothing today either. So I can for him. Said, guess what I did?
That's what you did?
All for him. Said, guess what I did? Got greasy. Man, I sure hope this thing works. For what we need it to do.
I'm gonna open the door.
Cool.
I guess I should turn the heaters off. It's actually significantly warmer in here than it is outside.
Yeah.
Back to freezing our asses off. Gen 1. We can swap the crank sensor to read you a crank, because crank sensor's in the same spot. So we can't use your... We can't use your value plate. But we can get a different plate. We just get a block off plate. I'm just trying to think about the oil pressure sender. Because well, your blower still had to fit around the oil pressure switch.
Yeah.
And it's pretty much in the same spot. If you put
Got a bigger ratchet.
there's an adapter here. So if you use an extension for that, no, just use just the 10 mils though.
Where's those?
The 10 mils are down the top, down.
Oh.
And no, they're right in between. Like if you look in the front, they're covered in dirt, like right there.
Oh,
Yeah. So there's 5 of them down the front. So that's why I gave you that.
Uh-huh.
But then I can give you the.
I got right here.
I gave you the ratchet, and then
Yeah.
or the impact gun is right there for all the half-inch stuff. You can just use the impact gun. You blast it out with the adapter on it. 10 mil, 15 mil, and then you get adapts at all the half-inch.
I got a wire brush.
Shoot. Do I have a wire brush? 99 cents to print this out.
Your phone get like a code?
My phone gets code.
Yeah, for something.
Getting your license, are you?
I did not get a code. Would that be from my email?
No,
So, Fortnite thing?
no, it's the game.
Oh. To what?
To just
Apple ID stuff?
yeah,
No, that's gonna go to mom's. Did you use Apple ID or
yeah. We use mine.
that goes to mom's?
Can't get one.
That goes to mom's because I have a different one.
Yeah.
It's a weird plate for something.
Yeah, that was like, you know,
Wow.
I don't even know what it was for. It's like a factory lifting plate, but there's no hole in it.
Yeah.
So how are you gonna lift it, right?
It looks like something would hold a freaking
I don't know.
throttle cable or something with
Something for
no
a-
hole drilled in it.
Fixture, maybe for some sort of holding fixture or something. I don't know. Keep on waiting for wrinkles. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heaters off and open the door. I gotta knock the tires off here in the car. I'm waiting for tire pressure sensors. Fucking electronics these days. I got like 10 people that need tire pressure sensors, so I bulk ordered 40 sensors.
Yeah.
$1,500 it cost me for 40 sensors.
Wow.
It's just and all just to keep the stupid light off the dash. Fucking ridiculous. And I got a new. I bulk ordered 40, and it came with a new reeler. Okay, is that thing blocking the door? Sure. I'll lift it up.
So I guess we just leave the harmonic balancer hanging on the crank, eh?
These engines are internally balanced. They're all the same.
No, but we could just leave it hanging on the crank.
Oh yeah, when we take the crank out?
Yeah.
No, because we have to pull front cover off.
Oh yeah. Alright, and greasy fuckers are free.
And you got the bottom ones on this side still.
Which one?
Turn the gun up more. It's only on one.
I thought I cracked this one. Must have missed it.
Alright. Stick a bar in there. I'm gonna knock the wheels off that thing. They're gonna be heavy.
Yeah. No,
Stick it, if you stick it here, inside one of the holes, and then just pry towards you. There you go. Oh, they're not even bringing stuff there. There you go.
they're loose. There's your call.
One of them. Them's automatic transmissions. Styline, this is Nathan. How are you? Good. I'm doing good, thanks. Yeah. Okay.
I'd say it was not running
Awesome.
lean.
Sounds great. Awesome. Thank you so much. I'll see if I can get over there today to make up some room, and then if not, I'll shoot you a call in the morning. I'll come grab it in the morning. Okay. For sure. Sounds good. No worries. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay. You too. Thanks. Bye.
You got a shot vac handy?
Sure do. Freaking Dennis Transmissions. I had issues with one of the ones. There we go. They're like, oh yeah, no problem. Just drop it off. Yep. Took care of it. No questions asked.
So I guess now we gotta get the balancer off. Right?
Oh shit. That thing's some shit in it.
Yeah, it definitely was not running lean.
No. This engine was fuckered when I got it. And it ran until I took the engine out.
Parts washer.
There's probably a here. Like closer. A little bit closer. There we go.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Got my front off the floor. Okay, meow.
One of our wheels is a wheel lock, and the other one's a so that's I hate wheel locks.
You got a big socket for this one.
Yeah, 24.
No, it's not. It's only a 24 mil. Is that what it is?
Hmm?
24 mil.
Yeah. Should be along the top rack in the back. There's a 24 mil. in the armrest glove box or in the one that's in the dashboard? Okay, so. Perfect, thank you.
It's a block. You got your fancy puller there.
Yeah.
Which rod is it? Okay, it's that one. Get your wheels inside and I'll close the door again. Close the door. So you make a bunch of noise and not piss off the bird. What size is that socket? Probably a 24 as well.
I think it's a 24 or. I don't
Yeah.
think it's metric, I think it's standard, but it's 24 to me.
Engines, tires, you do brakes?
No,
No, you don't do brakes?
I'll do this.
Okay.
Only my biggest money maker.
Yes, he's off. Another nice chunk of iron.
Yeah, Ben's is funny. Oh, so we did find a couple of little issues. Well, of course you did, because you only rebuilt what was fucking wrong with it. You did. You pay $3,500 for a rebuilt transmission, and they only fix what's wrong with it. They don't give you all the parts.
Yeah.
So then all of a sudden, oh, you know, we found a couple of things. Oh yeah, okay.
Well, what are them solenoids worth? Because I got all new solenoids and shit in my blowing up.
We're all 60.
Yeah. I got the whole valve body all apart. I just gotta. Is there a puller to pull a pump under the, or should I just?
No, there's two.
Smash on
There's
it.
actually two threaded holes. If you put two bolts in there,
Yeah.
have you tried to do that?
No.
There's two threaded holes. If you put two bolts in there, it should just shuffle out. Yeah.
Because I'm stripping it all down on my
Oh yeah.
bench, right?
For sure.
That's done. And Mills back on there. Got some serious grease happening here. This is unscrewed my knee up. Timing chain cover. He's a greasy bugger. Alright. Get down to here. Get the oil pump off.
Where do you go? Rocket Ray.
Yeah, what do you think, Captain?
Is that good?
It's coming apart. That don't all because the pickup tube. The pickup tube. I guess we can get that off with the pan.
Yeah. Yeah, if we flip it over and knock the pan off, then
Okay, bump stick's ready to come out. I guess we gotta flip it
yeah,
over.
you gotta pull the front plate up,
Get that off.
and then we'll.
Well, we gotta flip it over so the lifters get out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Okay, copy that.
Part one. Flip her over and do the bottom end next.